Hello everyone. So today's video is on COVID third wave on the request of many of my friends and close people, as the data of the second wave and first wave already matched, and this report will be based on my graph which I am maintaining since 2020 April. So basically AIMS director has already told that we will be hitting the third wave in incoming 6 to 8 weeks. So directly coming to my data, which is not that much very much different, people have again started यूजलेस थिंग. जो इच्छा सब कर रहे हैं, सब मार्क्स छोड़ दिया है. हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि बहुत जन इंग्लिश समझता नहीं है. मार्क्स छोड़ दिया है, केयरलेस केयरलेस एटीट्यूड स्टार्ट हो गया है. सब जो इच्छा कर रहा है. गवर्नमेंट ने खोल दिया है, गवर्नमेंट ने खोल दिया कॉमर्स फाइनेंशियल के लिए. अभी जब बंद होगा तो बोलेगा फाइनेंशियल की फाइनेंशियल इफेक्ट हो रहा है. तो so that the financial does not get effect, we should be careful enough for that, but the people are not enough careful for that. So coming to the data, third wave to be hit in approximately July ending or August start if people are careless to the power infinity. Some clips I have seen, but if possible, no need to show in the video, but I will show some of the clips that people how they are now attitude towards the welcoming third wave. Anyway, July ending or August start the third wave, or if people are little bit careful, then it can go the start of September or end of August. That is the thing. The major cause will be the Delta plus variant, which is the one of the major infectious variant. Now we can have a case spike of nearly 10 lakhs per day if the testing is done properly. If testing is done properly, we can report more than 10 lakh case and more than 10,000 deaths per day. Though in India all the deaths are not reported properly. In second wave also all the deaths were not reported properly. Recently I have seen a news that 75,000 death in Bihar is non-reported. So we can assume that how much death has not been reported in whole India. Third wave will be, we cannot have a exact assumption how the third wave can go, but the peak of third wave can be in the August mid or in the October or September mid. There are two chances where it can third wave can hit us, and we will be affected by that. That's all. And third wave will be more dangerous for all the section of the people, not only the children, because maximum of the population is still now non-vaccinated. So that is no there is no chance that the third wave will be small, and people are attitude something like that the corona has gone and something they are teasing everyone. So it will be a very tough time coming to us. Third wave cannot be defended. AIMS director have already said that vaccination is been going on, but it's quite slow than expected. So be careful. Third wave 10 lakh case per day. Once again I repeat the data. Third wave 10 lakhs case per day, more than 10,000 death or even more if the infrastructure is okay. No beds will be available, and oxygen deficiency this will be going, and we should be careful now more. Single surgical mask is not enough. We should wear double masks when we go in crowded areas, especially as Delta plus variant is very infectious. If face shield possible, wear face shield, because it is some cases it in dense area, in closed area it has been reported that this is closed area, it is airborne. So that the doctors wear face shield, doctors wear PPE, face shield, and etc etc many things. So take the COVID vaccine, wear face shield, and I think third wave cannot be defended because people have started nonsense thing in this after the second wave has come down. Currently we are in the start of the third wave or in the end of the second wave. In this phase we are currently now, so not much time to hit the third wave. That's all. If you have any questions regarding the COVID, as my all data matches in a previous videos, so if you have any question you can ask me. If I get a more topic, then I'll make a new video on it. That's all, and stay safe. So once again, if you come to hear, the first third wave can arrive at the end of July or the start of August, or in the second option it can come in the end of August or start of September. So let's see what it happens, and if people becomes careful, then it may be little bit less than expected. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead, and Comment down if you have any question. That's all. And just see the clip of some people doing nonsense thing without marks and without anything. So thank you. Distance in to the power infinity. Just see the condition. Corona second wave just came down and wow, it's to the power infinity. So इधर गवर्नमेंट को एक बार तो टेस्टिंग कराना चाहिए आरटीपीसीआर. पॉजिटिविटी रेट 90% क्रॉस कर जाएगा, इंडिया को भी फेल करा देगा. मार्क्स ही नहीं है, मार्क्स कान में तो दूर का बात, मार्क्स ही नहीं है. वाओ, डॉक्टर्स मरेंगे, डॉक्टर्स को लात मारेंगे, गोली मारेंगे जब ये लोग कोरोना पॉजिटिव हो जाएंगे. कोरोना से मारा तो डॉक्टर का फॉल्ट, कोरोना हुआ तो किसका फॉल्ट?